Good morning, good afternoon, good day, everybody. I hope you're ready to get some value today as we are going to be doing a July 15th trade recap and overview from the live trading session that we had yesterday in the Project 3 Discord. So if you guys missed it, we're just going to be doing a quick trade recap showing you guys what we saw, why I took the position, why I took the short position on SPY, as well as the reasoning behind it, just so you guys could get a better understanding of the entries, exits, reasoning, so on and so forth. We want you guys to implement everything that you learned today and kind of take something away from it. We did a supply and demand class the other day as well for free in the Discord, and what we're going to be doing tomorrow is another free Zoom meeting, so make sure you're there to attend. If you have any questions, you can text me on Discord or Instagram. Follow me there at Day the CEO, and let's just get right into it. So we had market orders, or we had market open. Obviously, we were live trading on Voice, and first thing we wanted to point out is that we have this demand down here from around, if we switch to the 4-hour chart, let's just do that really quick. We can see that we have this demand from this 372.7 level all the way to this 375.8, and this is kind of a demand that we can see on the 4-hour chart, as well as we have this 383.15 slash 381.5 as kind of our supply zone where we see some selling pressure come in and reject. So first things first, we see pre-market action open up. We see a lot of strength right here, and we see some upside, so we're opening around 382.15. Now, when we see a gap up or a heavy upside move pre-market, what I do is I don't like to chase. I don't like to look to long here because more than likely we're going to get a pullback unless we're in a very, very strong situation. But today we weren't because we had a lot of bad news, so I really wasn't looking to play that off the open, and like I said, off the open we weren't strong enough to go long anyway. If we look right here, the reasoning behind that is because we are still opening in this supply zone. So this supply zone is meaning that we're looking for a reject back to the downside, and that is exactly what we've seen. So the way we can identify the reject, I'm not going to get too much into that, but we're just looking for a point where there's a lot of selling and rejection. Like right here, we've seen this reject all the way back down to the 378 level. So what we were looking for mainly off the open is going to be that reject of supply. So we see the open here looking at the 1-minute chart, and we were just watching. We pull up into this 383 level, and once we were struggling to hold this 383 level, I was seeing that there was some weakness around here, and we're still in supply, meaning we could expect a potential reject. So we're seeing a lot of rejection around this area. We start coming down, pulling back down right here, and then around this zone we see a lot of selling pressure. Now, we could have looked to take the short a bit earlier around 382.5, but it wasn't an ideal entry for me just because we have this pre-market level around 382.4, which was kind of rejecting. So now I can kind of look at that as support since it bounced off all the way back into 383, and this could easily be trapping us into a trade if we entered short here. This candle wanted to bounce and continue. It's just making a higher low, so that's why we had to stay patient yesterday. So we've seen the moving averages cross down right here, and this is where I started seeing a lot of weakness and told the Discord, and then all we were looking for was 382 being unable to hold, so around 644 right here is where we entered puts. Now, we took our put position here. We seen, or my fault, we seen right here this put position. We took our entry here. We had a breakdown all the way to 381.6. We bounced back into it, and then this was the kind of confirmation that we needed to add more right here at 382.1. And then that's where we seen this downside move that we all saw down to 381.3, 381.1, where we took most of our exit around this 381.1 level slash 381.2 level. So we were able to catch a quick and easy move, and on the daily, if we were looking, the 382 is kind of the key zone that was trying to hold, And once we were unable to hold, we rejected the EMA. That's when we took our entry, and that's when we took puts on this play and were able to catch a nice 20 to 25% move on SPY puts. Now, today was definitely a very, very choppy day. All we wanted to do is get a quick, nice trade and then take the exit right here. Obviously, we had some news causing this massive, massive $3 upside candle move, and then the rest of the day we just saw chop and kind of just slow action, which you really want to just stay away from. So we caught this nice short to the downside in live trading chat, and that was really it. We were done for the day after that. I'm sure a few people might have held through and maybe caught 30 to 40% on 0 DTEs down here, but for the most part, that's really all we traded. So if you guys got some value, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick recap and video. We will be doing live trading throughout the week in the Project 3 Discord, so make sure to join there if you'd like to get in on the live trading. So that was just a quick recap for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to drop a sub, follow the Instagram, and catch us for more content and more trading this week. And please make sure to go to my Instagram because I will be posting the sign up registration for the free learning Zoom meeting, and it will be tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay up and stay safe.